Perfect posture in 100 seconds for ages 60 plus. Do you ever catch yourself slouching? Shoulders rounded, neck forward, back aching? You might think it's just age, but here's the truth. With just 100 seconds a day, you can retrain your body for perfect posture, relieve pain, and stand tall again. No equipment needed. Hi friends, if you're over 60 and struggling with rounded shoulders, neck pain, or poor balance, this quick posture routine is exactly what you need. I'll show you the only 3 moves you need to realign your spine, strengthen your back, and restore your confidence, all in under 2 minutes. Exercise 1. Wall Angels. Let's start with one of the best posture fixes out there, Wall Angels. This move strengthens your upper back and opens your chest, reversing the hunch that comes from years of sitting or looking down at phones and screens. Here's how to do it. Stand with your back flat against a wall, feet about 6 inches away. Press your lower back, shoulders, and head gently into the wall. Bring your arms up like a goalpost, elbows bent at 90 degrees. Slowly slide your arms up and down the wall while keeping them and your back in contact. Do this for 30 seconds. Move slow and controlled. You'll feel your shoulder blades engage and your spine lengthen. This one exercise retrains your postural muscles and teaches your body how standing tall should feel again. With consistency, you'll notice your chest opening up, your breathing improving, and your neck pain fading away. Exercise 2. Chin tucks. Next, let's strengthen your neck alignment with chin tucks, a simple but powerful move to fix tech neck and forward head posture. Here's how. Sit or stand tall with your eyes looking straight ahead. Place 2 fingers on your chin. Gently draw your chin straight back, like you're making a double chin, without tilting your head. Hold for 5 seconds, then release. Do 10 to 12 reps. You'll feel the stretch along the back of your neck and activation at the base of your skull. This helps realign your head directly above your shoulders, where it belongs, reducing strain on your neck and upper back. Think of this move as a posture reset button you can do anytime, watching TV, at your desk, or standing in line. It's small, but incredibly effective when done daily. Exercise 3. Standing shoulder blade squeeze. Finally, let's strengthen the muscles that hold your posture with the shoulder blade squeeze. Here's how. Stand tall with your arms at your sides. Roll your shoulders back and down. Gently squeeze your shoulder blades together, as if you're trying to hold a pencil between them. Hold for 5 seconds, then release. Repeat 10 to 15 times. This move wakes up the neglected muscles in your mid-back, the ones responsible for keeping your shoulders open and upright. When they're strong, they pull your posture into perfect alignment naturally, without you even thinking about it. Add slow, deep breaths while you hold the squeeze to relax your neck and calm your nervous system. You'll stand taller, breathe better, and even look younger. And there you have it, the perfect 100-second posture routine for anyone over 60. 3 simple moves: wall angels, chin tucks, and shoulder blade squeezes. Done daily, they'll keep your spine aligned, your muscles balanced, and your confidence high. Remember, good posture isn't about standing stiff. It's about moving with strength and ease. If this helped you, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more pain-free aging tips, and comment below. Which posture exercise made you feel the best? Stand tall. You've earned it.